In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT API. Whether you're just venturing into the world of APIs or looking to specifically leverage the power of ChatGPT for your projects, this tutorial will guide you through using the ChatGPT API step by step. Let's dive in. First, you will need to navigate to the OpenAI API overview page. This is the official starting point for managing your API keys and accessing essential information about how to interact with the services OpenAI offers. You can find this page by visiting the OpenAI platform's documentation overview section online. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar, which is a handy feature to help you locate the specific information you need without sifting through numerous pages. In the search bar, go ahead and type in API keys. This will quickly direct you to the section of the documentation that talks about managing your API keys, which are crucial for authenticating your requests to the API. By using this targeted search, you save time and ensure you're on the right path to accessing and creating the key you'll need. Once you've done your search, click on API keys from the search results. This will bring you to a dedicated page regarding how API keys function, their management, and specific instructions on creating and handling them securely. You'll want to be familiar with this section, as an API key is essential for connecting your software or application to the ChatGPT service. Next, look for the option to create a new secret key. This step is typically done by clicking a conveniently labeled Create New Secret Key button. Think of the secret key as your unique password that you will use to access ChatGPT's capabilities seamlessly. Remember, keeping this key secure is important because it grants access to your specified usage environment. While creating your secret key, you may be prompted to type in a name for this key. This step is optional, but naming your keys can help in organizing and identifying them later, especially if you manage multiple keys across various projects or environments. Consider using descriptive names that reflect the specific use cases they are associated with. After naming your key, you'll be shown an option to click on the default project. Doing so associates your secret key with a specific project under your account. This is vital to ensuring your API calls are tagged appropriately and monitored under the correct project tab. With the setup complete, click on the Create Secret Key button. Congratulations, you've successfully generated a new API key. At this moment, it's crucial to copy the key and store it securely. This key is your ticket to integrating ChatGPT capabilities into your applications. Finally, once you have your key, choose which platform or programming environment you wish to utilize your new API key with. Whether it's for a web app, a mobile application, or server-side processes, integrating ChatGPT adds a powerful AI component to your project.